Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix iPhone emails not updating. If you are also facing such type of issue, iPhone emails, incoming mails not syncing or not updating, then here are the process. Go to your mail, and first one is, if you have set only unread mail, then click on 3 horizontal line and choose settings, and here go to inbox type, tap on it and choose default inbox. Tap on it and tap on done from the top right corner. And the second method is refresh your iPhone Gmail app by sliding down. Manually refresh your iPhone and check whether your email is now updating or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here go to general settings. Here scroll down and go to region and language section. Language transfer or reset. Tap on reset. There may be a network related issue, so reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings, unlock your iPhone, and again tap on reset network settings. There may be a possibility of your network related issue, so you must reset your network settings and check whether your iPhone email updating or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down, go to apps, and here go to mail or Gmail which you are using. Either you can go with mail app, tap on mail, and if you are using mail app, then go with mail app. Otherwise, go to mail account and tap on your mail account, and here enable all these features. Go to account settings, go to advanced and check mailbox is duly enabled. I am not using this mail app, so no any data available here. If you are using Gmail app, then simply go back and go to Gmail settings, enable all these features. On the settings page, go to Gmail, scroll down, tap on Gmail, and here go to your account and make sure that background app refresh is turned on and cellular data duly turned on. Thereafter go back and check whether your email app updating or not. Also must ensure that allow notifications is duly enabled and some other features, required features, is enabled on your Gmail account settings, and check whether your mail app is updating or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is, go to your Gmail app, Gmail account, open it and sign out from your Gmail account, and again after some times again re-sign in your Gmail account. Sign out and sign in, re-sign in your Gmail account through Google account, and check whether your mail app is working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, tap on settings again, and here go to general settings, and here tap on safe software update, and if any iOS update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of various type of app not working properly in your iPhone, so you must update it with your latest iOS update. That's all.